English word book. Let's start now. So today we'll do table and chair. We have done in the textbook. Now today we'll do table and chair. Now see. Read. Now we have to read this one. Once there lived a serious king. He never used to laugh or allow anyone in the kingdom to laugh. One day a small boy couldn't control his laughter. Later, scared of the punishment, he thought of a plan. He wrote a funny story and converted it into a drama. Then he went to the palace and asked the king, "May I present my drama to you?" The king let him do it. The boy started the play. In the end, he came to the funniest part of the story, in which he started imitating the voice of many comedians. This made the king laugh heartily. All the people present in the court were amazed. The king then allowed everybody to laugh. Everyone then lived happily thereafter. Okay, now did you understand? There was a king who never used to laugh and does not used to allow anyone to laugh. One day a boy came and laughed a lot, and then he thought that I will get a punishment for this. Now what can I do? He thought of a plan. He made a drama. Then he asked the king to react, play the drama. When he was playing the drama, he reacted, he imitated, means he copied the voice of many comedians, then which was funny for the king, and the king laughed very loudly, and that by this all the people were amazed, and they lived. Then the king allowed everyone to laugh, and they lived happily ever after. Okay, so let's do this one. Why didn't the king allow his people? What didn't the king allow his people? Which thing? The king didn't allow his people to laugh. What did the king didn't allow his people to? The king didn't allow, what didn't the king allow his people? Okay, the king did not allow his people to laugh. You can write it to laugh. Okay, laugh. What did the boy do? Made the king laugh. The boy made the king laugh. How did the people of the court react? The people of the court was amazed, E-M-A-Z-E-D. Okay, amazed to see, was surprised to see this. Did the nature of the king change? Yes, after that he allowed everyone to laugh. How did the kingdom become? How did the kingdom become? The kingdom now lived happily. The kingdom now, everyone in the kingdom now lived happily. Okay. Where do you study? Where do you keep your books? Can you tell the name of furniture? Furniture in a house. This one no need to do. Write this one, top one. Okay. Next, turn the page. Let's come to, so no need to do this one. Example, now frame sentence using this word. You can do this one by yourself. Hasten, quicken, bumpy, cheerful, slowly. No need to do this. Make sentence. Try to make sentence. Hasten means to do walk, move fast. Quicken means to go fast. Bumpy means to make a sound, a round type of thing. Cheerful means happy. Slowly means slow. If you want, you can write make sentence, a simple sentence with this word. Now let's do this one. Cross the odd one. Student, mother, brother, father. So student is not a part of the family. Pen, stick, pencil, eraser, stick. School, classroom, market, desk. Mark is market. Playground, ball, cow, bat. All are playing things, cow. Bed, table, chair. Furnitures, ribbon is not a furniture. Unscramble the words. Some jumble words you have to unscramble. So first one is number one, little. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Number two is learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. Next, this one you will do by yourself. Okay. This one you will do by yourself. All next. Jumble letters. Write in alphabetical order. This also you can do alphabetical order. First one here, second one here. A, B, C, D order. Right here. Okay. Till this much. Clear? Till this much. So this one you will try by yourself. Alphabetical order very easy. This one unscrambled you will do. This one just practice it by yourself. Make sentences. And this one no need to do. This one you write the answers. Okay. For today, this much. Okay. Thank you.